with Turnberry Court Condo Association in Beloit, Wisconsin. We use multi-man services the past couple days to do a roof treatment on some of our older roofs. But before we get into that, we heard about multi-man services originally using them 2 years ago to do power washing on all of the buildings, which was great because it helped clean off mold and algae and that kind of stuff. So it really made it great. We also have used them for doing gutter cleaning, and recently got information about doing a roof treatment. Our condo association buildings are between 17 and 18 years old with the original roofs. So watching a short video that was on their website, looked at what this treatment would do, and then got a call from Eddie and saying we can do an individualized video for each of the 4 buildings that we were looking at having the treatment. So this is one of the buildings, which is a 1-car garage building. There was that building there. Building across the street. And then one on the corner, which is a larger building, the 2-car garages. So with this is they did an individual video that I showed to our board, and they were very impressed with looking at what really needed to be done. And a couple of the things that they were looking at is they were going to fix, I'm calling it fix, some items such as loose shingles, etc. And then doing the treatment, and then lastly cleaning the gutters. And looking at that video really showed the board, oh wow, we really need this. To us, the price was acceptable based on their pricing policy. And actually, after the video, we actually got it taken care of within a couple weeks, and actually finished it today. So we've been very happy with that. And actually, we are also going to be having the company do the gutter cleaning on the buildings, 4 buildings that have new roofs on them, but we're still waiting for our new roof on that building, and then they'll come out and do that and finish the project. So we've been very happy with them and definitely would recommend them.